Once upon a time, high up in the sky, there was a tiny cloud named Benny. Unlike the big, fluffy clouds that made thunder and rain, Benny was small and soft. One day, the Cloud King called a meeting. "Tomorrow, we must bring rain to the land below," he announced. All the big clouds rumbled excitedly, but Benny felt nervous. "I'm too small to help," he thought. That night, Benny looked down and saw a little sunflower wilting in a dry field. Its yellow petals drooped sadly. "I have to try," Benny whispered. He took a deep breath, puffed up as much as he could, and squeezed his tiny raindrops over the sunflower. Drip, drop, plop. The little sunflower perked up, stretching toward the sky. "Thank you, Benny," it whispered happily. The next morning, the Cloud King saw what Benny had done. "Even the smallest cloud can make a big difference," he said proudly. From that day on, Benny was known as Benny the brave little cloud, the one who never gave up. Moral of the story: even small efforts can make a big impact.